Hi everyone, this is Pawan Singh from Dream Design Institute. Today I will discuss about Edge Blend in NXCAD. First of all, open NX software and create this 3D part. After that, click on Edge Blend or go to menu, insert, go to detail feature. Then click on Edge Blend. Edge blend means click on edge. First of all, click on reset for reset the all setting. Now click on any edge. It will convert into fillet and remove all the edge and fill the value there as per your requirement. Then click on OK. This is edge blend. Watch again, click on edge blend and fill the value from there or there. This is edge blend. If you want to click on one more than one edge, you can also use. First of all, I delete this blend from part navigator. This is part navigator toolbar. All command history will there. First of all, click on edge blend. First click, second click, then third click. You can click more than one edge, then click on OK. This is edge blend. There are many options you can edit at any time. Right click on edge blend, go to edit with rollback and fill the value. Suppose 10, enter. Suppose 30, enter. It will create there are many options in this command. Now this option is conic. If you want to click on circular, it will create circular shape. Suppose fill the value 10. This edge blend is circular shape. If you use conic option, you can control the center and row. Suppose I fill 7, 9. Look the difference. You can control also row. Suppose 0.1. This is the difference. The radius is also 9, but row distance is 0.9. Suppose 0.9 fill. No, it is not possible. This is 0.3, 0.6. This is the difference between conic and circular edge blend. Use the option as per your requirement. Now there are ample of option in this option edge blend. Look, click on edge blend and click on more option. First of all, click on reset, then click on more option. This is variable radius. First click on this. Suppose I fill 10. In both side radius is 10, but if you want to create variable, then use this option. How? Look, click on variable radius, click on there, click on this point and click on this endpoint and fill the value. Suppose 20, enter and click on at any point Now fill the arc length, arc percentage length, suppose 50%, there 50%, and fill the value for radius, suppose 5, and click on third endpoint. You can use many endpoint and fill the value 100 or 0, there arc percent 0, and there suppose 30, enter. Now click on OK. This is variable radius. You can control at any time. You can change the value. Right click on edge blend and click on edit with rollback. You can click on list and fill the value there at any time. Suppose there is 5 but you need 10, click on 10 and fill the value 10. And if you want to change a percentage arc length, then click on and fill the value 60%, 70%, there is 0, there is and 100%. If you value 90, there is 90. So fill the value as per your requirement. There are two options: arc length, there is 50 length, 50 mm, 60 mm. Look at the difference, percentage and length. Now click on reset for third option. First of all, click on cancel, right click on delete, face blend, click on reset, click on more option. Now corner setback, it means 3 edge, first edge, second edge, then third edge. Click on any 3 edge like this and click on this point. Click on this point, then after that click on this point, and look at the difference. This new shape will create, and you can control this radius. There are 3 options, or their list is available there. You can fill there. If I click on this side, then its color will change. The selected side, suppose I fill 10, enter. Now I click on this point, then this direction is this direction because its color is this. Suppose I fill 20. Now this is third direction, this direction, fill the value, suppose 5, this direction is 5, then click on OK. Now this is corner setback, edge blend. If you don't use, then look at the difference. Suppose click on edge blend, click on reset, first click, second click, then third click, then its result is this. When you required that shape, then you can use corner setback. Now next option, edge blend, click on reset and click on more option. Now click on this option, stop short of corner. Suppose I click on this side, now click on this point, Now click on edge, endpoint of edge, then fill the value, suppose 50. Then edge blend will create only 50%. When you require this type of edge blend, then use this option. You can control also its length. Right click on edge blend and go to there and use the option percentage or length. This is percentage option. This is 50% off, suppose 70% off, suppose 10% off. If you use arc length option, it is the length in mm, suppose 30 mm. You can use and control radius from this side, suppose 20, and click on OK. If you learn from this video, then please like, share and comment on this video, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.